Hey guys, I'm Zac Soutar from Tufflift Racing, and today it is my absolute pleasure to show you through the Tufflift Hoist showroom here at their headquarters in Melbourne. Tufflift have so many products that I won't quite be able to show you everything today because we don't quite have enough time, but I will, however, be able to show you some of my personal favourites that I think makes Tufflift Hoist stand out from the competition. What better place to start than one of Tufflift's most popular hoists, the TL 3.6 Parking Hoist. Now, it's really cool to have my Audi RS3 LMS car here today that I race in the TCR Australia series. And we're going to use it to show you exactly how the TL 3.6 Parking Hoist could work in your workshop or garage at home. Available in both standard and extra tall versions, the TL 3.6 is designed to instantly double the parking space in your garage or workshop, making it a favourite for those with growing car collections, as well as those with professional car storage facilities. Another cool feature of this parking hoist is that it comes standard with a 240 volt motor, meaning that there's no need for three-phase power. You can literally plug it straight into any 15 amp lead you have in your home or workshop. Now, the thing that makes Tufflift's products stand out from all the others is all the additional extras that come standard with the TL 3.6. Drip trays, wheel chocks, tool tray, and most impressively, a caster kit, all come as standard when you buy a Tufflift parking hoist. The caster kit is a super convenient feature that means when there's no cars on the hoist, you can move your parking hoist to wherever you need in your workshop. Now here's a lift that the team at Tufflift Racing has some really good experience with, the MR35 Scissor lift. With its short lifting height and 3.5 tonne capacity, the MR35 has gained somewhat of a cult-like following amongst the wrapping and detailing community. In fact, we recently used the MR35 to wrap our beautiful Audi RS3 LMS racing car, and I can personally vouch for the fact that it makes the job of wrapping a racing car, or any car for that matter, a million times easier. Being able to lift the car to a standing working height makes working on the hard-to-reach side skirts of a car a much quicker and easier process. This is especially important if you are working on multiple cars within a short time frame, as it greatly reduces both worker fatigue and job turnaround time. The MR35 has learned a thing or two from its bigger parking hoist brother and is also fully portable. This means that it can easily be moved around the workshop or out of the way of not being used. It's definitely a game changer for the car wrapping and detailing industry. Next on my list is another of Tufflift's most popular hoists, the C9 4-tonne 2-post lift. The C9 allows for the freedom to work on your or a customer's pride and joy with ease. With its stunning charcoal hammer tone powder coat finish, it's also certain to become the visual centerpiece of any workspace. The C9 boasts a lifting height of 1.85 metres, has single point lock release, as well as screw pads and the option for extra low profile arms. This means you'll have no issue using it for either your four-wheel drive or lowered vehicle. Tufflift doesn't just cater for the four-wheeled market. We also have some options for our two-wheeled friends, starting with the TL45 motorcycle hoist. With a 450 kilo capacity, this simple little lift is mighty enough to handle most bikes on today's market with ease. As with the whole Tufflift range, simplicity and ease of use is the goal. For this reason, the TL45 has no big bulky control unit, no messy hydraulic lines, or any oil in sight. Instead, it's all operated from this pneumatic foot pedal, meaning there's no power supply needed. It's literally plug and play straight into your air compressor. With a rear stability bar and 5 safety locking positions, you can have the peace of mind this lift will be rock solid at any height. Another great feature of this lift is the option for width extension kits, which allow for wider vehicles like ATVs and quads to be worked on. As I said in the beginning of the video, this is only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the Tufflift Hoist range. If you'd like to discuss anything you've seen today with the team from Tufflift Hoist, feel free to give them a call on 1800 88 33 50, and they'd be more than happy to have a chat with you. Thanks for watching.